We're going to do the ABCs today. Maybe you already know the ABC song. Well, each of the letters has a name, and each one of them has a special sound. I'll do it first, and you do it after me, okay? Here we go. Capital A, little a. A says A as in apple. A, A, A. Capital B, little b. B says B as in bell. B, B, B. Capital C, little c. C says K as in cat. K, K, K. Capital D, little d. D says D as in dog. D, D, D. Capital E, little e. E says E as in elephant. E, E, E. Capital F, little f. F says F as in fox. F, F, F. Capital G, little g. G says G as in goat. G, G, G. Capital H, little h. H says H as in horse. H, H, H. Capital I, little I. I says I as in Indian. I, I, I. Capital J, little j. J says J as in jar. J, J, J. Capital K, little k. K says K as in kite. K, K, K. Capital L, little l. L says O as in lamp. O, O, O. Capital M, little m. M says as in milk. Capital N, little n. N says as in nest. Capital O, little o. O says as in ostrich. Capital P, little p. P says P as in pig. P, P, P. Capital Q, little q. Q says Qu as in queen. Qu, Qu, Qu. Capital R, little r. R says as in ring. Capital S, little s. S says S as in sun. S. Capital T, little t. T says T as in table. T, T, T. Capital U, little u. U says as in umbrella. Capital V, little v. V says V as in violin. V, V, V. Capital W, little w. W says W as in wagon. W, W, W. Capital X, little x. X says X, 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 X. Capital Y, little y. Y says y as in yarn. Y. Capital Z, little z. Z says zzz as in zebra. Z. That was all of the short sounds of all of the letters. Now, there's 5 special letters, and they're called vowels. Let's do the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And they say, capital A, little a. A says A as in acorn. A. Capital E, little e. E says E as in eagle. E. Capital I, little I. I says I as in ice cream. I. Capital O, little o. O says O as in open. O. Capital U, little u. U says U as in uniform. U. Did you do them? That's awesome. Rewind and do it again. If you like these special cards, I got them from a Back of Books. Have a great day. Bye-bye.